Hi boys and girls, I'm going to go over the chapter 13 review. Now, what I would like for you to do is, I want you to first make sure you watch this video because this lets me know who's watching my videos. Second, I want you to go through the chapter 13 review and answer all the questions. And then number 3, I want you to check the PDF file and kind of grade yourself to see how you did. And then I want you to upload a video of your chapter 13 review with your corrections so I can see which questions you got wrong and your corrections to see that you actually fixed what mistakes. Alright? And if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you get in touch with me. I'd be more than happy to help you. Alright, so section A says underline all the adjectives including articles, demonstratives, and proper adjectives. Draw an arrow to the noun that each adjective describes. So this is what I'm going to do. In each sentence, I am going to underline all the adjectives, the articles, demonstratives, proper adjectives. I want you to draw the arrow to the noun that each of those adjectives describes. So number 1 says, helium balloons travel in atmospheric layers to monitor the weather. We have helium, that's an adjective, atmospheric, and the. So what I want you to do is draw the arrows to the adjectives, to the noun, Draw an arrow to the noun that each one of those adjectives describes. Alright, number 2. Some planes are useful for gathering information about current conditions. All right, so we have some and useful and current. Those are your adjectives. You draw the arrows to the nouns that those words describe. Number 3, these instruments recorded the weather condition. Recorded this weather condition. I apologize. There's 1. And there's 2. Whoopsie. I didn't mean to underline that word. Ignore that part. Alright, so you draw arrows. Alright, section B. Underline the adverbs in each sentence. Draw an arrow to the word each adverb describes. And I'll do the same. I'm going to underline the adverbs. You draw the arrows. Number 4, special boys. No, that's not boys. Buoy. No. I apologize. It's early this morning. I know what that word is. I just can't think of it today. Okay, buoys. I knew this word. I had to freeze the screen. I had to go check on it. Like I said, it's early in the morning and there's somebody mowing outside, so it's distracting me. All right, number 4. Special buoys carefully record ocean conditions. All right, so I'm going to underline carefully. You're going to draw the arrow to the word that adverb describes. All right, number 5. Suddenly, the winds blew the waves westward. We have suddenly and westward. And number 6, God brought Uncle Marvin and his family home safely. We have home safely. All right. So like I said, you right here, you're going to do this part. Draw an arrow to the word each adverb describes. All right, letter C. Label the sentence pattern. SV, remember subject verb. SVDO, subject verb direct object. Or SLVPA, subject linking verb predicate adjective. Then you're going to diagram the sentences. All right, number 7. Meteorologists consistently record the temperatures. I'm going to draw the diagram for you, but I'm not going to fill it out. I want to see you fill it out. go back in your book and look at the diagrams that I did for you in case you get stuck. All right, there's the diagram, so you just have to fill it in. Don't forget you have to label the pattern too. Let me highlight that. Don't forget this part. All right, number 8. Those, oh my goodness, I'm having a morning, huh? Hold on a moment. All right. Those anemometers measure wind speed often. All right, so diagram. There we go. We have 1, 2, and 3. All right. So you pause the video as you need to so you can draw in the diagrams and then fill them in. And don't forget to label the sentence. All right, number 9, a small parachute is helpful. This line, and then there's 2 words that describe that word. I will give you a hint that remember when you have this line right here, subject, and predicate. So your action. This is your noun. So this line right here always separates your subject or your noun and your predicate or your action word. When you have a line like this, that is usually your, I don't know if I should say this, I'm going to give you an answer by accident. Okay, it's your predicate adjective, and then these lines are your direct objects. Your direct objects go on this side when you have the half line. Okay. Next page. All right, so for part D, you're going to take these words. You're going to write the ER or ES forms of the adjectives. So you have ER right here, EST form right there. So you're going to change this to fluffier, fluffiest. And then think about what you're going to have to do with that Y. That's all the hints I'm going to give you for that section. All right, section E, underline the correct adjective or adverb in the parentheses. Okay, so number 14, a northerly breeze often results in cooler or coolest temperatures than a southerly breeze. So think about, in the parentheses, which word would make the most sense. A northerly breeze often results in cooler or coolest temperatures than southerly breeze. Now look, you're only comparing 2 things right here. So you remember that one, in fact, I'm going to go back for a second. Where's my other, there it is. It's for this chart. Remember, when you're comparing 2, comparing more. All right, going back. So in this case, it's cooler, because you're just comparing northerly breezes and southerly breezes. Now, those are the only words that you have to underline there in the parentheses, so look for the parentheses. All right, and section F is just like what I did on Thursday. So circle the conjunction in each sentence, underline the words joined by the conjunctions, write in the blanks what is being connected. So, just like we did on Thursday, circle the conjunction, underline the words that are being joined, and then on this line right here, you're going to write either 2 sentences, 2 subjects, 2 predicates, 2 adjectives, 2 direct objects, 2 adverbs, or a series of words. All right, and that's it. So once again, just to remind you, number 1, you're going to watch this video. Number 2, complete the Chapter 13 review. Then you're going to check your answers using the PDF file. And finally, you're going to upload a video or pictures of these 2 pages, pages 247 and 248, into Class Dojo so I can check to see how you did. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns on your review, just let me know.